Hello, people. This is Teacher Calvin, and welcome to another episode of Science I Can Do. And with our great tips, I'm sure science you can do too. Today, you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of answering a series of multiple choice questions set by a renowned school. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
Yeah, revision time. If you've forgotten all your P3, P4, P5, learn now. Study the three organisms as shown below. Which statement is correct? Okay? They can make food. The mushroom doesn't make food, right? They respond to changes. Hey, all living things respond to changes, right? It's part of the condition for living thing, right? Study the classification table below. Okay, group X is stiff and float in water. I don't think the glass floats in water, right or not? Yeah, it's suicidal, right? So buy. And float in water again. How can a wine glass float in water? Okay. Ah, swimming float is transparent. Huh? No. Huh? Swimming float is transparent? No. Yeah, straight away is nonsense, right? You know. Yeah, the only answer is waterproof. Wine glass is waterproof because you hold your liquid. Yeah, it's quite strong. Although, like the rubber float is waterproof and it's quite strong because it hold you. What? Absorbent. Let me see first. Absorbent. Yes, they're absorbent and flexible. You can fold them, right? Okay. You want to argue that number two is not three? But how is the wine glass? Well, why is a wine glass strong? Right? Okay, how is the wine glass strong? Okay, we'll show you. Well, because it is August 9 today, so I'll go back and celebrate with my wife. I'll probably hold this, yeah, and my wife will hold another cup, yeah, and we'll knock it together. Say, cheers! Happy Singapore National Day! It clink. If they're not strong, it pecah. It bang crack. You know, at least strong in that sense lah. You know, hello. Then some squeeze this glass cup. Yes, made of glass, right? They like to hold it, squeeze and squeeze. Can they squeeze it and break it? Alright, you give us a coffee cup. You know coffee cup? Wait lah, coffee cup. Can we crush that glass? Alright, unless I properly smash it on the floor, get angry, that's different, right? It's strong in that sense lah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yes. Okay, or you see these people, they stack glass cup on glass cup on glass cup on glass cup, and then they carry. If it's not strong, it broke. Yeah, hello. Okay, I've seen in the restaurant one moment, Mr. Andrew. See, they stack glass cup on glass cup on glass cup on glass cup, and then the waitress will just carry from carry one hand at the bottom, right, and then the other hand on top, and then go across. If not strong, they break each other. Agree or not? What he's trying to say, glass is quite strong lah in the sense, yeah, because yeah, at the restaurant, no banquet, no the waiter, we got take two cups, you know, right? They stack, and then you grab one whole thing, walk, you know, right? Because of that, they're supporting each other's weight, right, without breaking, right? So in that case, it's strong lah. So what it's trying to tell you that glass is strong. You get me now? Okay, you don't believe that glass is strong? You see this China, they build all this glass bridge, right? Down there is kilometers down, right? Those walk on the glass and jump, right? Didn't break the glass. In that sense, yeah, right? But that's different glass. You're not talking about the glass. That's true, but I'm just trying to tell you, glass is strong if you want it to be, right? No? Unlike tissue paper, you just step on it, you make it strong. Yeah, cannot. I mean, you can call it tempered glass, you can call it what glass, but it is strong in that sense. Ah, yeah, hello. Get it? Okay? So, because he asking me, give me example to prove that glass is strong. You know? So, I am not perfect, but I want to defend this guy because the rest of the answers are all rubbish. Left this one. What do you want me to do? Reject it as well. I'm not silly, right? Then I have to justify why glass is strong. So I give you an answer that you see these China people, they build a bridge. I've been there. My sister closed her eyes to walk because she scared the guys the glass break. Yeah, I look down. I drag her down. Yeah, right. Of course, it's a special glass. I am sure like this is yeah. But well, glass can be strong. You know, on my car windscreen, okay, quite strong. You know, right? Right? Of course, don't get hit by maybe a flying stone that's very big, you know, right? And then if you drop some little object, it's still strong, it's not so breakable. Yes, understand? Okay? Yeah, okay, Andrea, what was your question?
Yeah, but then we are talking about glass, you mean that normal glass, that's not tempered or whatever.
Well, okay, normal glass of glass. I also gave you the example here.
Yeah.
The waitress, right? Really, I've seen in the restaurant, right? When they want to pack up things and go home, what do they expect them to do? They don't have these trays. Everybody waiting for a tray. You know, they can't put on that and then just leave. That's why sometimes they couldn't bring the glass back out because it's stuck, right? That's why they have to put it in hot water to get expand to put it back out. Get it or not? You guys maybe haven't worked in a restaurant. The fact is they get one glass of put 10 or 20 glasses on top. It is strong in the sense. Cool? Okay? Yeah, don't argue for the sake of argument. Right? In this case, I have no other answers that fit except this. But you ask me to justify, at least I try, right? Reasonable, within reasonable, right? I'm not the setter for this question, but at least that's the only answer that's logical. Get it or not? Okay? All right. That's not strong, right? Quite strong, right? You know, I mean, it's brittle, yes, but strong. You understand what's strong and brittle? It's different. What you're saying, glass is breaks very easily. A brick is brittle. Yes or no? A brick. You drop it, it broke into two, right? But is that brick strong? Hey, you hold a piece of brick, yes. You smash it on the floor. Does it break into many pieces? Yes. Why? Because it's brittle. You understand a brick? It broke into two. Just like tiles. You know tiles? Floor tiles? Yeah. You take one floor tile, bam, on the floor. I'm sure it broke into many pieces. Hey, you don't do that, but is it strong, the tiles? You stand on the tiles, will it break? No, exactly. I brought an aquarium, and because the floor is not even, I put some tiles underneath to support the aquarium, which is very heavy with water on top. Did it break? No, of course, you don't suddenly, karate man, let me elbow, that's a different story altogether. Yes, now, other than that, it's strong, right? Nobody asked you to put a sudden force karate. Let me show you it's not strong. And then the whole table smashed here. It's not that the table is not strong, it's because you use a smash to change the shape of an object. Get it? What I'm saying? Glass actually strong unless you apply a force to it. Take a hammer and hammer it, then too bad lah. Because we also learned that force can change the shape of object, you smash it. Get it? Agree or not? Hey, Adrian, agree or not first? And Andrea, you take a brick. You answer brick. Brick is strong, right? To build houses, no? Yes, no? Have you ever tried to take a brick and throw on the floor? Does it break?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's strong, but it's different from being brittle. You understand? Brittle? Brittle means breaks easily, but other than that, strong. See? Where's a plastic bag? Do you agree a plastic bag is strong?
Yes.
No, but it's miserably light and thin and flimsy, right? But it can hold a lot of Coca-Cola bottles, right? When I go home, I buy a lot of groceries, right? Maybe, right? You put the watermelon inside there, you know how to carry, right? Plastic bag is actually strong, but of course, you see, I poke a whole pure there. This is a different story. Yeah, right? Yeah, yeah, what do you want now?
But then someone used his own voice and
Okay, next one.
model shopping.
Okay, so number two, who got this wrong? What do you pick? Oh, you also wrong. What do you pick? Okay. Hey, steep and float on water. Do you expect your glass to float on water? Yes, suicidal one. Yes, no. They ones cannot pick one. Cannot. You don't believe you throw a glass. You think you float on water? I don't think so lah. Yes. So cannot pick one. And who told you a rubber float is stiff? A rubber float is not really stiff, right? Hey, is a rubber float stiff? It's like, you know, some of those rubber float, they like, I don't know, they should curve around your body. I don't know whether it should be. Yeah, plus, yeah, swimming float some more. Yes, no? Okay? Yeah, because you got to hold your body, you see. Imagine Brian here, right? His father said, come, learn to swim, boy. Oh, yeah, put a rubber float on, right? You're going to be strong in the sense that supporting his body. Of course, you see, I don't believe, let me see. A puncture hole. Just like the plastic is strong. Who asked you going to put a tear there, put a tear there, finish? You understand what I mean? The plastic bag that I have, it put so many bottles of Coca-Cola, so heavy, yes, no? Did it break? No. Of course, you don't say, I tried to put a little hole, of course, you put a tear there, finish. You know, okay? Don't do exception things, lah. Yeah? But definitely, if you tell me a glass is floats on water, I can't pick that. You want me, hello? Yeah? All right, so you don't believe, you try to put a glass and see whether it floats on water. Okay, number 3. The diagram below shows a seedling and adult plant. Seedling, which one is not true? Not true, huh? Both have strong stem. Does it both have strong stem? Who got this wrong? Huh? Okay, wait lah. Both have strong stem. Well, do you see it creeping on the floor? Creepers, you know, like a weak stem will be lying on the floor, you know, creeping around. But this guy is standing. Stand up straight. Even though he's a young guy, he can stand up straight. Agree or not? So do you think his stem is weak? No. No. Both have strong stem. So it's true, but I'm looking for not. Both cannot bear flowers. Oh. This guy is already having a fruit here. Yes, no. Adult. I see a fruit or flower. He said cannot bear flowers. What nonsense is this? Definitely not true, right? Agree or not? How can this fruit come about? He said this adult cannot bear flower, man. So this is definitely not true. So it's number 2. Get it? I found the answer. You want me to go through the other side? No, So I say, I mean, if you are very confirmed that it's answer, please don't waste your time in the exam. We have no time to waste. I'd rather save the time and go and do the rest. Get it or not? Unless you're not sure, or you put a mark in your question like that, or just like go back if necessary. But don't can go back and correct answer, go and change it to wrong answer and come out and say, oh, got people like that, right? I got so much time, I'll go back, my answer is correct, but I rub it away, I put it wrong. Please don't suicide like that, okay? Couple, again, observe 2 insects, S and T, and recorded his observation below. Okay? It has 3 body parts. Of course, it's an insect, has 3 body parts. Very good. That's why it's an insect. Thank you. Part of his life cycle is spent in water. Very good. Okay, cool. You know what are insects that spend their life in water? A mosquito, dragonfly as well. Yeah, dragonfly. Okay, mosquito, very good. The young resemble adult. The mosquito doesn't look like an adult, right? The adult fly around, the larva is so ugly, really good. The young resemble the adult. But it's an insect. Anybody knows any insect the young resemble the adults? Yeah, grasshopper, but he doesn't spend his life in the water. Right? Yes, I can draw you a grasshopper. The adult grasshopper maybe that looks a bit like don't know how to draw. Okay, like that with the 2 pillows, right? And the gang, 3 body parts, right? Yeah. 1 body part, 2 body part, 3 body part, right? Yeah, looking angry. Yeah, yeah, right. And then the baby looks exactly the same. Yeah, no. but the smaller version with my mouse. Yeah, small. Okay, yeah, okay, good. Which one insect did he observe? Well, you already given me the answer. What? The first one, dragonfly as well. Okay, but a frog isn't, right? A frog is not an insect. Don't waste time, right? Yeah. Okay. So 3 body parts is insect. Spend his life in water. Butterfly is another nonsense, right? Butterfly don't swim in water, right? Yeah. So the answer is only 1 and 2. So now dragonfly, I told you live in water. So we have to go for the teeth. 3 body parts and young resemble the adult is only the cockroach, right? Yes, not. So because mama look like that, I hate it also. I don't know how to look like dig there. Hairy, all right. The baby also already same one, sometimes fat little bug like that. Yeah. But look like, hey, mama, wait for me, all right. So the answer is 1. Okay, it's cool. Sometimes we love science. The diagram shows different organisms of a human digestive system. This is the mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth. Gutlet, no digestion in the gutlet. Digestion in the stomach. Large intestine, absorb water, no digestion, absorb water. Okay? Yes, this is just to push the food from the mouth right into the stomach. Okay? Okay, that's what your job of the gutlet. Okay. Okay. What is it? Which one shows the correct function? Food is digested into a soapy mix. Is it in the mouth? Is it in the mouth? Can it be W? They don't even the food is broken down into smaller substances. Yes, there's a mouth, right? That's what the teeth are for. Yes, now. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Right? So 4th one is a knockout. No. Please go by elimination. Yeah. Okay. What else is to be knocked out? Anybody? Water is removed from digested food. It must be only Z. Right? Or Z, you call it, right? That's the right one. This one already dead already. Because of this, dead. You see? Very easy to find the answer. Once you find the answer, please don't go elaborate anything else and waste your time. And this is impossible, this is impossible, this is possible. The answer is just 3. Okay? Right? Don't go and think of all those weirdos things that are not possible. You know, right? And really wasting your time. Okay, again? Get it? Okay, come, number 6. Joshua used 2 identical strings for an experiment. One string will fill with oil. Hey, oil is a liquid, right? Mr. Brian, can you compress oil?
No.
Yeah, liquid got fixed volume. You cannot compress oil.
But has no fixed shape.
Yeah, no, I mean fixed volume lah, no fixed shape. Yeah, you cannot compress liquid, cannot compress. Okay, RESS cannot compress liquid one. Fill with air. This one air can compress, right?
Yeah.
Compress lah, I'm just saying. Okay. Okay, but not all the way because air is metal. Okay, he pushed the plunger as hard as he could because this is a seal opening, cannot escape. Is it? Okay, and measure the distance x. So the first one, x must refuse to move. Do you understand why? Because this is oil, right? OIL. Oil don't let you compress one because it's fixed volume. Okay? So, hey, straight away, I'm done. I found the answer already. Is it not? What is it? He pushed the plunger, he could measure the distance x. Was the distance x 0? The x cannot move, it must remain the same. What is the x here? Can anybody read? What is the x here? 20, right? Can you see the 20? X should remain 20. You are not going to push the x 20. Those guys don't be silly and pick number 1. The x didn't move is 0. Hey, x is 20, cannot move. Get it or not? That's why I say the answer is very obvious. There's no choice one. Number 4, because X is liquid, cannot push, it must remain as 20. Get it? Other than that, I don't even want to bother with the rest. Agree or not? Right? Why can't X be 0? Waste your time, right? Liquid cannot be compressed. How do we compress until 0? You know, okay? See? Fast, do your science, fast, get the correct mark, get more time to do other things. Andrew, okay? Andrew must have picked something. I look from his eyes. I was saying, lucky you asked me. What do I pay? What do you pay? What do you pay? You pick 3, See, I can tell from your eyes, even though you see all the way. It's just that I'm very sensitive to people, you know. When they lie and things like that, I know. Okay? It's just my own senses. You know, right? This guy covered his whole face, I gotta see his expression. I'm kidding. So, Andrew, you understand? Okay, may I understand why you want to pick 10? Huh? You also don't know why. Yeah, sometimes you see, maybe you could be like me, like that day you're tired, right? You just simply pick an answer and that's it, you know. This is the way to kill yourself in science. Can you see now? There's no logic, there's no meaning, you just simply pick. You know, that is suicidal. Get it? It happens. People like me, like tired, I don't think simply I okay what appeals to me, I pick. Please don't do science like that. Okay, can although you can it's suicidal, that's all. But it happens to everybody. When I'm tired, I really don't think, I just simply pick over. Yeah? So I used to like edit videos at night until 3, 4 a.m. in the morning. But this video, I'm so tired. 11 something, I cannot think how to edit the video. I just close my computer, put it into sleep, and then I go to sleep. Wow, my wife asked sleep so early. I said, yeah, I just can't think, no point. Struggling to stay awake. But that's why I never go for exam when you're tired. You cannot shut down and go to sleep. Too bad for you. You're in the exam hall. Can make sure you sleep enough before you go exam hall. I think that's the moral of the story. Yeah, seriously, these few days, I can't edit videos. I'd rather sleep already, wake up at 6 a.m. and go edit videos.
So are you tired now?
Do I look like I'm tired to you? Right? You know, right? Although I've been starting teaching from like early morning, yeah, give me a 10. Yeah, can back to back I'm teaching, but when you want to give your best, you try to give your best, you know, right? When you like want to defend your country, you want to defend your country, don't. I want to sleep. The enemy don't let you sleep. In fact, they attack you when you're the most tired. Yes, no. That's how the enemy win the game, right? Okay. Of course, you try to stay as energized as possible, Of course, I mean there are times your body give up, I mean temporarily, Can. So I'm not really in control of my body, but yeah, we'll try to stay as weak as possible. Because your enemy attack you when you're in the lousiest moment. That's how they want to win the war. Right? That's why you see enemies normally attack you at night when you don't see them. You know, do you think that daytime, where you can see them? Right? Right? That's why you see all the aeroplanes, the US send aeroplanes to bomb people. When do you think they will send people to bomb the plane? At night. Can see or why?
So that they cannot
The enemies cannot see them, cannot fire anti-aircraft missiles at them, stinging missiles that chase the airplane. So they come at night. You can't see them. And then they're very clever, they're stealth bombers, They will, if they have radar, they bounce off. But daytime, at least you got radar bounce off, they see the black dot in the sky, they still can shoot, right? That's why they come at night. And why is that advantage for them? They got night vision, I mean, their planes got night vision, they can zoom in with technology to keep the target. That's why, right? Fight with technology. Get it, man? Yeah? So, yeah. So, don't be, see, he already tired. He asked me whether tired he's sleeping in. God. Come on, we try to make the lesson very exciting for you, really. We very tone, we don't speak like one tone, no. Right? The best also will go to sleep. Andrew, you understand what I mean, right? Okay? A pump was connected to a glass. A pump. There's a pump, okay? Connected to a glass. Is able to pump 50 cm of air inside. Hey, air can be compressed, but air takes the shape of the container, Get it? Yeah, from 50 ppm. Each time, push. Show the mass of the volume of the air. Volume can increase not, aileron. Volume can increase or not of the air. No, because they're blocked by the container. They have to take the shape of the container. The container is a flask, no, strong or not? Hey, the container is made of glass. You keep on pumping, increase the pressure, did it burst and explode? No, so it's quite strong, right? Ruben, in that sense, you keep on building the pressure in the glass, right? Did the glass explode? Quite strong, right? But the pressure inside is quite high, you know? Yes, not? It's like a submarine, you know what I mean? Submarine. They dive, but the water pressure is like want to crush them if they're not strong. Yeah, no? That's why submarine cannot dive very deep. Very deep, they just crush like crush. Okay. Okay. That's why the depths of the ocean some of the deepest part have not been explored. You know, you can fly thousands and thousands kilometers up in the air. You know, 33,000 kilometers up in the air. Hello, get it? Right? Hello, this is the captain speaking. We are cruising at 33,000, 36,000, right? Above sea level, kilometers. Do you think you can dive 36,000 kilometers down? What's the maximum depth? Anyone? The submarine can't dive even 11 kilometers. Can you imagine how powerful the water is? It'll just crush you. Huh?
Yeah.
Guys, learn something? Yeah? I just want to show you. The glass is strong in the sense that it will hold the pressure. Okay? Yeah? So the volume must remain the same. But does the mass keep on increasing, Mr. Brian? Yeah? Yes, because air has mass. You cannot pumping. Alright? Mass increase, volume remain the same. Where is the picture? For number 7. Which one?
4.
Huh?
4.
4. The mass must keep increasing, but it didn't increase from 0. It started with somewhere. Number 1 is wrong. They has air inside already, but this guy started from 0. Can you see now? At first, there was air in the flask. Can you see, understand why I cannot pick number 1 compared to number 4? See number 1 trick you. You see number 1. Oh, volume remain the same. Very good. Mass increase. Good. Pick number 1 die. Why? Because there was already air in the mass. Then they hide the answer, real answer down here. Can you see? Volume remain the same, but just the starting point. Be careful, Andrea, see or not? I guess he picked wrongly again from his eyes.
Yeah, I picked wrongly.
Agree, Andrea? Andrea said next time I come and wear sunglasses. Okay? I can see now through his mask that he's smiling. Okay? You can run, but you can't hide. You can disguise, but you can hide. Huh? Okay? Even half the face, they can do face recognition, Aaron. Wow, Aaron, I didn't know that. Okay, next time don't make this mistake, okay? Whatever. Whoever, okay? Not only picking Andrew, because he thinks he sits far behind, we can't really see him. But we can. The further you sit, the better it is for me. I'm a crazy guy. 3 different types of flowering plants, A, B, and C, were growing in a field near the river shown below. Hey, the river flow. Mr. Brian, pay attention in class and improve, right? Improve, seriously, you got 1 chance, 2 more months for your PSLE, Make sure, guys, get very top mark, okay? There you go. Yeah, actually, okay, wind, hello, the wind. Look at the wind, the hot wind, okay? The hot summer wind is blowing off. Wind is blowing off. If you have a wing-like structure like a shoria, you will, or the dandelion, you know what I mean, all right? You'll be blown off. You're not. Angsana, you guys know what's angsana?
No.
Huh? Angsana is like those with the wing-like structure, flat one. You haven't seen angsana before? Yeah, can see angsana? Hello? Is this dried up fruit on the ground? Can see no? No. Okay, can? See in the guy's hand? Yeah, can see? Okay, can?
I saw that in the car park.
Of course lah, you is there everywhere in Singapore. That's why you guys walk around, don't open your eyes, look at girls instead of look at trees.
But I saw that in the car park.
Okay, again? All right. Yeah, Shoria, you know Shoria, right? Shoria? Shoria are wind blown as well. Okay? Shoria. Yeah, the Shoria fruit. Have you seen before? Huh? Shoria fruit. Can you see? These are wind. The more wings-like structure they have, the more they fly. Yeah? Can you see? Okay, can?
Yeah.
All right, huh? Okay, so they are very tall. Shoria. Okay, we are wing-like structure, the C. Okay? Okay, let's go. Enough of this. So if it's coconut, okay, I just show you if it's coconut tree, yeah, coconut nut, okay, then I will expect the fruit to be all down here, follow the water, yeah, no. If it's wind, the mother tree is here, then I'll expect all the baby are blown downwind, yeah, no. Get it? If it's animal, it's all over the place. Yeah? Yes? Because animal bring them across the river like man, not like go anywhere. Okay? Okay. A few years later, each plant ABC will found growing in a field. Again, A is like clustered all together. Yes, no? Can you see? It's like spitting, you know, you can spit yourself quite far. Can you see? A is all clustered here. So A is like spitting, right? Now, look at B. B must be a water plant, right? Can you see? The parent is here, they're all downstream.
But it's not a beach around the
Yeah, can't they flow across the river? Hello, when the river is washing around it? A river meanders one, okay? Then even they show you, you can blow on this side, right? You hit some rock and bring it over there, cannot. Hello? As long as it's downstream. Hey, never, if they write here, then I'm very curious. Hello, Andrea, understand? Mr. Ruben Rafa, he write a B here. Wow, this guy swim against the water and come here. Crazy, can I? Can see now? But as long as downstream, I can understand. Get it now? Yeah? Hello? Downstream. Maybe here they want to flow, you drop inside, right? Hit a rock here and the rock, blah, 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 send me on this side. Cannot. You understand what I mean? There are rocks in the rivers, hit the rock and the rock. Okay, okay, as long as it's downstream. So B is definitely by water. Yeah, not. Okay, this explosive action of splitting. Okay, yeah, not. Hello? C. What is C? All over the place. The wind is blowing, but all over the place. Can be here, what? Can cross the river to here. This probably distributed. This one is by Raphael, this one by Ruben. Both of them take the fruit here, take a boat across the river and put it there. You know, hello? Yes? Yeah, aileron cycle around here and then throw it here. Everywhere, all over. Okay, again? Animal, right? Okay, I'm sure you can answer the answer. Come on, plant A, where is it? Spitting, right? So which is one?
tree.
So definitely, spitting cannot be fleshy one. Yes, no. Yeah. One less problem without you. Cannot be fibrous husk. Fibrous husk is for floating like coconut. Get it? Coconut for fibrous husk. Split open the right. Here you are. This one, this one. Then what about B? B is like fibrous husk, right? By coconut. There, fibrous husk. Waterproofing covering. I do not say that must be waterproofing. Okay, we can't tell. C. Oh, must be fleshy, right? Attract animal, right? So what do you mean wing-like structure, right? Nonsense. So the answer is number 3. Agree or not, people?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please use your brain and don't get so many wrong, okay? Hello, Aaron, understand or not? Okay, let's continue. This one. Okay, so to the next one. The diagram shows 3 cells. This one, regular shape. Can you see regular shape? Sure guarantee got cell wall because you know regular shape very nice looking. Sure got cell wall. This one so nice can have shape one cell wall. Can see not? Plant cell. This one look lousy one. This is an animal cell. Do you understand? The cell wall is plant. Do you understand? Very nice shape and so nice. Cell wall plant. Can or not? Andrea, pay attention now. Okay, again. Improve more. Which one is cell Q and R? Animal cell R, we got animal cell. Talk nonsense, right?
It's a root cell.
Yeah, animal cell, right? Right? Cell P and I have no fixed shape. Cell P have fixed shape. Wow, talk nonsense, right? Cell P have regular shape, nice kind of shape. Can you see how? Ah, yeah, cell P and R can make food for the plant. Cell P and R can make food on the plant. This one, the chloroplast, can make food. This one, how to make food? Just bring in water, we'll see first. PQ can control substances that enter and leave them. All have cell membrane, right? Yes, all have cell membrane, all have cell membrane. See? Agreed. So where should the answer be for number 9? Yes. Do you understand? This one I don't want to say, but the root doesn't make food. It just absorbs water. Yes or not? That's why it's wrong. Get it? Hello? Understand? Hello? So, okay, number 10. A diagram shows how gases are transported in the circulatory system of a fish and man. Please remember, heart got double circulation for heart of human. Okay? Hello? Please, this is the distinction. Human being, the blood pass the heart 2 times. Okay? The fish 1 time only, the blood pass the heart. What did I say, Mr. Brian? 2 direction? No, I say in the fish, the blood pass the heart once only before they are sent out to all parts of the body. But the human, the blood must pass the heart 2 times. One is bring to the heart says, don't give me, give to the lungs. Then the lungs give it back. See, the blood came into the heart 2 times before they are sent out to other parts of the body. Mr. Raphael, what did I say? Andrea, what did I say?
I said that for human, the blood pass by
Yeah, before they are sent out to other parts of the body. Okay, okay? Open, confirmed for you already. Okay? So, which one correctly says, okay, which one is rich in oxygen? Okay, come, let's do this. Rich in oxygen, I put red. Okay? Okay? Lousy, I put blue. Okay, is it okay? Blue is low oxygen. Okay? But very high in carbon dioxide. Can you see? Rich one is low in carbon dioxide. Okay? Okay, come. So lungs to the heart. Red or blue? Mr. Ruben, lungs to the heart. Is it going to be red or blue? Rich in oxygen or poor in oxygen? Rich, I say put red. Okay, again? Rich. Heart, go to rest of body. Is it still red? Yes, although the heart use some lah, but still full. Yeah, no. Okay? Okay, how about the fish? Heart pumps to the gill. Is it a lot or very little? Very little because haven't exchanged gas yet. It's the gills that change gas and send to the rest of the body a lot. You get it? Not. So A must be full of oxygen. Agree? Mr. Aaron? Aaron, understand now? So why did I draw this blue? Come on. Blue. Why?
B and E.
The heart sends lousy blood to the lungs for gas exchange. Because I said, this give me back from the rest of the body, no good give to me. Think I want, I send to the heart. Yes, no, I mean to the lungs for exchange. Get it? Okay? So the rest of the body always return rubbish blood to the heart, the deoxygenated blood. Yes, no? Then the heart says, don't give me, give it to the one who can use it. So send to the gift. Okay? See, I draw all the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood for you. Okay, let's see what's the answer then. What do they want? Which one describe the blood vessels? A, B, and C. A should be rich or poor. A, according to this, should be rich, right? If I say poor, rich is A. See, this one don't have A, bye. Don't waste my time. And see, I want A to be rich in oxygen. Agree or not? A must be rich in oxygen. Why? Because there, the gills exchange will give you back very good oxygenated blood. Okay? Can use your brain. Okay, C or B, which one is full of oxygen? I just show you C is full of oxygen, right? B, look at that. I just show you it's lousy, right? Yeah, so here, where's the answer? C must be rich in oxygen. B is a nonsense answer, it's just one. Get it? Get it?
Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, do give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, be sure to watch Science I Can Do.